Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products for your home. Today, we're talking about the Defender Security U9847 Patio Sliding Door Loop Lock, hands down the best loop lock available to enhance your home security. Whether you're looking for a reliable way to keep your sliding patio doors secure or need an extra level of safety to keep children from opening the door, this product delivers. This secondary locking device is designed specifically for sliding patio doors and adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. It's perfect for those who want a simple yet effective solution to secure their doors. The lock features a nickel-plated hardened steel locking rod with a durable die-cast bracket and keeper. The finish not only adds to the product's durability but also ensures it withstands wear and tear from weather exposure, making it ideal for outdoor use. Installing the Defender Security U9847 is quick and straightforward. It comes with all the necessary fasteners, allowing you to set it up in no time. All you need is a few basic tools, and you'll have this lock securely in place in just minutes. Its reach of 2 to 1/8 of an inch is designed to keep the door firmly attached to the jamb, ensuring it stays locked. Beyond security, this lock also provides peace of mind for parents. You can install it high on the door, out of reach of children, to prevent them from being able to open it on their own. This is an excellent feature for anyone looking for added child safety protection in their home. The U9847 lock is constructed with weather-resistant materials, ensuring that it continues to perform reliably in various environmental conditions. So whether it's rain, wind, or sunshine, you can trust that this lock will stand the test of time. It's a simple, effective, and durable addition to your home security system. If you're in the market for an extra layer of security that doesn't require complex installation or costly upgrades, the Defender Security U9847 Patio Sliding Door Loop Lock is a must-have. It's an affordable solution that enhances both safety and peace of mind, all without compromising the look or function of your doors. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products. To secure your home and life. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.